Welcome to Global Factory Insider. Today we follow these mangoes from orchard to factory.
Look at the color on this one, absolutely perfect.
Yes, the early harvest is always the best. Are we ready for the truck yet? Bring it left, easy now.
Yeah.
Okay, hold it there. Lower, slowly.
These mangoes arrive here for their first check before processing begins. And
Lift it up now.
Clear on the right, keep moving straight ahead.
Here in raw receiving, materials are quickly prepared for the seamless transition to the automated sorting process.
We're seeing a high yield on the exports. Good, the pressure alignment is perfect.
These washing systems remove dust and prepare mangoes for deeper processing.
UV levels stable at 254 nanometers.
Acknowledged. Cross-check against the thermal readings.
spacing metrics are holding steady right here.
Good, the alignment entering the gate is exactly where it needs to be for the next phase.
This stage removes the mango skin and prepares each piece for puree processing.
Our advanced deseeding technology uses soft paddles to gently remove the pit, sending the clean fruit halves directly to the pulping system.
Readings are stable now. Good. I'll reduce the coolant flow slightly.
This step transforms fresh mangoes into smooth puree, ready for packaging.
The puree is pumped into a homogenizer, where high-pressure jets create a perfectly smooth texture.
Flow rate is holding steady at the target.
Confirmed. The transfer can proceed as scheduled.
Attention all operators. Buffer tank 66 is approaching maximum capacity. Prepare for system transfer.
The automated tray packers precisely lift the containers and place them neatly into the waiting cardboard trays.
These packaged containers are now ready for palletizing and final shipment.
The pallets are lifted by a forklift and carried to long-term storage racks. The foreground shows the forklift forks.
5.2 degrees, right on target.
Confirmed. Final tags are approved.
Set it right there, tight against the wall. Straps are secure on this side. All right, clear to pull out.
Thanks for joining Global Factory Insider. See you in the next journey.